Welcome back to Gabbei's Garage, where it's a bazillion, 0.4 degrees out. And windy. That's helping. Anyways, look what I got. We ramming. We'll throw this puppy on and then take it up at least close to the shop, and we'll get to this wiring mess so I don't have to, be like with wires for an hour. And my luck, I'd get a short and sparks, and who knows what would happen. So let's nail this out. Guess I grabbed the wrong one. I'll be right there. Kind of a funny story. I don't know if you guys watched the last video, but how the parts skidster didn't have these rams on them, and I was a little bummed. Well, then here to find out, the previous owner, he took them off because he was going to make a lift-o-matic machine to lift some logs up for the wood splitter, and I got lucky. You alright? Had a little too many wobble pops, and there she goes again. I'm gonna have to work on that. I think you guys get the picture. I just gotta, I'll show you what I gotta do. Anyways, just gotta connect these two hoses. There's a pin here. Buddy, you ain't had too much. Just go home. It's not that big of a deal. But anyways, 2 pins, 2 hoses. Well, got her hooked up. I'm gonna, boy, everything's attacking me. Horse flies, where are you guys? Take your flies back, horses. But anyways, if I can remember that, I think I got her. No, I don't. If I remember right, it's this group and this one. See if I can do this with the seat down, because push the lever likes to go. And then I found a trick too. It has a glow plug. Give her a minute. Maybe a little more. Come on, old girl. We good now, I think. We'll find out. Well, I guess I'll be changing both the rams. What is that? At least we got some shade up here. You feeling better, buddy? Gave it some coffee and a little nap. Hopefully it can stand up on its own, but we'll do this side now. What's the chances that just happened? I don't know, but it happened. Alright. I don't know if we should cross our fingers, knock on wood, but do whatever you can think of because I am running out of options, that's for sure. Well. Oh, we took her for a little spin. For once. I didn't get all lubed up. I mean, the grass is already dying. I don't need to add to it. I can't talk today. But anyways, so now, as you guys know, we got this jibbly jobbler. That don't do much. I tried tightening that. It don't work. I want to get rid of these. And I think, why does the guy need a key? Can't he just hit a switch and a button? Or a switch and another spring switch for the starter? I did find out this turns the fan off. I was hoping it's a reversible. I will check out that because right now it goes whoosh. It's hot. I don't want more, so we'll get going that way. Sorry, not even seeing what I'm doing. Try to get the wind blowing that way, the hot. So, if you guys want to take a spin with me. Man, the pollen's out so bad. I don't know if you guys can see it, but cars are just covered. we're back, and got me some switches. So it's gonna be some push it, pull it, flip it, twist it, pop it. That game, you remember that. Well, anyways, to start this, so I'll get you guys in here. So already I know that this one runs the electric fuel pump and the fan. I don't know what the other one's for, but I guess we'll find out. And this one is for the starter, and I'm guessing this one is positive all the time to the battery. That's what I needed to know. And really all the key switches is a fancy toggle switch that you rotate. Now we gotta add another hole. So I'm using a toggle switch and a push button instead of just a key ignition net. So I'll bring you in here. So what it was this was the starter. So I took this wire off here and I put to the push button, and I had to run a jumper also from the push button to the power source of the toggle switch. And then this says right here ignition and everything. This is where the electric fuel pump, the electric fan, and there's something else on there. I don't know what it is. I didn't even look. And also this one was the battery. So these two went to the toggle switch, the battery one, and then all the others to run everything. And then I ran a jumper from the battery, from the toggle switch to the starter button, and then also the starter. So it's not that hard. Just take your time, make sure you remember the wires, and figured didn't need a key. The Amish gonna take it? I don't think so. They only ride horses. So now can we have a flawless victory? I learned my switch. Little plugs for a moment. Oop. Let's boogie. Well, about time. We got her all good. She's nothing leaking. She's ready to work, and so am I. But I think we're going to call her a night. Sun's getting real low. What's that? 30 minutes? 45? So, we'll call her a night. Thanks for hanging in there, guys.